20,000 who are known for their warmth, their humility, their perseverance. A place with rich history, culture, heritage, and tradition. A place where cleanliness is not just a word, but an action. A place where safety is not just an expression, but a deed. Where green is not just a term, but is life. Bangar, a small town indeed, but a land and place we call home. A home well kept by sincere leaders who serve with joy in their hearts, by people forged by determination, and community members who are selfless. A town whose employees are motivated by their desire to serve. A town whose people value their children, their hopes, their dreams, and their aspirations. Bangar, a place we are proud of, a place whose people are resilient despite the odds, with whom we see our reflection, and people we consider family. Bangar is not only a place, but it is a state of mind. It is a state of joy. Bangar, Bangar ti Amyanan.